Hello friends, we are going to discuss about a Vue.js tutorial. In this video, we are going to install Vue.js with a command line interface. Okay, so here we are just created the Vue tutorial folder. Here we just going to open a command prompt, and here we will install our Vue.js application using the CLI command. Okay, last day we discussed about using the CDN, but it is not help for large project. We are going to discuss about installing with a CLI for large application. Okay, so before that we need to know some things. Means we need to use we need to install a Node.js. So if you want to check node minus b whether Node.js is already installed or not, so we need a node installation first. And if you see this version, that means we have installed our node into our system. Now here another things, npm minus v means using these things we can understand what is the our npm version. So here you can see my npm version is 10.8.2. so you need to have node and npm installed before installing Vue.js with a command line interface. Okay, now to install Vue CLI we need to use these things. Using npm we will install, so npm I or install anything. I is the short form @vue /CLI. So basically this will install your Vue CLI, and if you want a global installations, that time you can use this -g. So by entering it will install actually Vue CLI into your application. So this will take some time to install, and after that we can create our Vue applications. Okay, so let's pause this video for some times. After installation we'll get back. So our Vue CLI installed. There you can see some warning. Actually this some commenter or some package are depreciated. Actually version is always changing. There's a reason it's showing some warning. No problem on that. So if you don't get any error, that means you are absolutely okay. Okay, so let's clear this. And now I'm going to install our now I'm going to create our applications. So Vue CLI just installed. That's the reason we can access this Vue command. Okay, so simply write Vue create, and suppose my application name is anything, my app. Okay, just enter this. So it will create a my app folder, and that will be our application folder. Means inside this directory it will create a my app directory, and that will be your project folder. Inside the my app you will get all the things, right? It also takes some time to install to create your application. So first it will create our the package.js, and then all the folders or files will generate. So these are asking some questions, so you can move by click on arrow. So Vue CLI 5.0.8, so please pick a preset. Okay, so default you want to use Vue 3 or Vue 2, and manually select features. So I just want to install the latest one, so Vue 3 I just enter, and it will install, and based on that it will creating the project. So you can see the path: see users, show more, desktop, Vue tutorial, my app. So if we go here you can see a new folder is created, my app, and inside this its package.json is created, and all the related folder will create. So this might take a while. So our application is created, and just closing these things for now. And now we need to go inside my application. So simply write cd my app, and here just open the Visual Studio Code. So simply using code space dot. So here you can see the Visual Studio Code. This is or this will be my editor for this application. So you can see these lots of folders and files are generated. Now to run the application, simply we can run in this way, npm run serve. So first time it will take time, but after that it will not take much time. Okay, so now you can see some things. So just go to the here. Now inside the src you can see there is main.js file. Okay, actually this file is responsible to mount, means we last day we discussed about we need to mount into the particular id section. This is the app. Now if you just go here inside the public folder, you will get the index.html. Here we can see this app. Actually inside this app, this main.js is mounting. And what actually mounting? These are mounting the app.view data. Okay, so whatever we'll create will mount in here, means inside the main.js we are calling this app.view, and all the things are exporting and we are getting output from the browser. So let's just check whether application started or not. Yes, starting development server. So it will take some time for first time, and after that we can see a new url will generate, and in that url we can see our application is in running. Okay, so here you can see a new url is generated, and if you go into this url you can see in your application will run from here. Means click on this, so you can see the welcome to your vuejs.app. Okay, now this is the guidance, or if you get some links here, you can see there is a vuex, view router, dev2, so you can check. This is the home page. Actually these are coming from this app.view. Okay, so this is the welcome to your Vue.js app. So this is the welcome to Vue.js app, and this is the logo, and other things are coming from this hello world component. Means if you check inside the components, there is a hello world view. So all the things you will get from here, but you can understand all the things because I don't have discussed about that things. So our project is installed and it's running in our browser. That's enough for this tutorial. Next day we'll introduce all the file sections and all the folders. Okay, after that step by step we'll are going to learn each and everything, why and how these are working and how to create our real life applications. We'll discuss all the things in our this video series. Okay, so hope you will like this video, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.